Hi, welcome back to Herbal Bunny's Pharmacy. I am Dr. Tamitha Davis, and on my channel, we talk about using nature's pharmacy instead of pharmaceutical. Do you ever feel like your nerves are on edge for no reason, and you have racing thoughts or heart palpitations or tingling in your hands and feet and just unexplained anxiety? What if I told you that it's not in your head, that it could be just your hormones? Today we are going to dive deep into the powerful but overlooked connection of how hormonal imbalances affect your nervous system. This link explains why so many women in perimenopause or menopause are dealing with infertility struggles, experiencing strange neurological symptoms like brain fog, anxiety, and even nerve pain. Nervous system and your hormones are like best friends. They cannot work without each other. Your brain communicates through chemical messengers called neurotransmitters, but those messengers rely on hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol to function properly. Estrogen helps keep our brain sharp, protecting our neurons and improving communication between them. While progesterone is our calming hormone, it helps to balance out stress response, allowing the nervous system to cool down. We have cortisol, which is our stress hormone, and is designed to help us in short bursts, but when it's constantly high, we get overstimulated, and the nervous system leaves us feeling jittery, anxious, and exhausted. So what happens when our hormones are out of balance? When estrogen drops, like in perimenopause or after childbirth, the nerve cells lose that protective support. This can lead to memory issues, hot flashes, and even nerve sensitivity. Progesterone is too low. We lose that calming, soothing effect on the brain. That's when anxiety, irritability, and poor sleep kick in. And if we have cortisol running the show because of chronic stress, it puts the nervous system into overdrive. So we start to have these racing hearts, we start to have tension in our body, and we start to feel like we're always on edge. Here's a list of some symptoms that you may not realize are connected to our nervous system and our hormones. Brain fog and poor concentration, anxiety, mood swings, insomnia and restless sleep, numbness and tingling in our hands and feet, dizziness, lightheadedness, muscle weakness or twitching, migraines, tension headaches, rapid heart rate, or heart palpitations. These aren't just random symptoms. These are signals that your nervous system is stressed and your hormones are out of sync. Talk about 10 vitamins and minerals for your nerve. Magnesium. I've talked about this in other videos, how important magnesium is to produce hormones. So this helps to calm our nervous system, improves our sleep, and to balance out cortisol. You may hear doctors tell you that you need to take folic acid or folate when you are pregnant, and that is our next vitamin that is very important for protecting our nervous system is vitamin B9, which is folate. It works with vitamin B12 to help protect the nerve's health and to support our mood. Omega-3 fatty acids, they help to strengthen nerve membranes and to improve brain health. Vitamin D, we can get that from the sun. It converts in our body to vitamin D3, but this helps to regulate our mood and support our hormone production. Zinc supports hormone synthesis and the nervous system's ability to be stable. Selenium, I've talked about before, this reduces oxidized stress and supports thyroid function. Calcium works with magnesium to stabilize nerve and muscle activity. And vitamin E protects the nerve cells from oxidative damage. So here are some natural ways to rebalance and to calm your nervous system. We got to start eating healthy fats. Fats found in nuts and seeds and avocados to help protect and build the nervous system. The magnesium can come from our foods such as spinach and pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and those help to calm the nervous system, or you can get a supplement. I used to take magnesium glycinate. Powerful adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, passion flower, or lemon balm helps to reduce stress and to balance out cortisol. Seed cycling is another great way to balance out our hormones, and also the fats that are found in those seeds can also help to protect our nerve cells. We got to make sure we're doing exercise. I don't recommend any strenuous exercise because I've talked about this in other videos that adding unnecessary stress to our body can actually increase our cortisol and cause inflammation in our bodies. We want to do exercise like yoga or walking. Deep breathing and meditation will also help to calm the nervous system and to lower our stress hormones. When our hormones are out of balance, then our nervous system can feel this great impact. But by addressing the root cause and bringing our bodies back into balance can calm our nerves and so that we can reclaim our mental clarity. So I hope this video was helpful. hit the like button, hit the follow button, and leave a comment. Maybe share this video out if this is the type of content that you like, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye! Say bye, EJ. Bye!